welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a Valentine's how-to. So how to decorate for Valentine's Day. Maybe you waited until the last minute, but I got you. I got you. I have a small space. We're going to decorate together my living room and my dining room, which are they are close together. So they are attached. That's how close together they are. Good. Yeah, that's what we're going to do in today's video. We're going to do all these things, I think, roughly in 30 minutes. If you have 30 minutes, you can do this for yourself in your own home. I'm just going to show you how to, okay? So sit back, relax, let me grab the inspiration for this, how to decorate your living room and dining room. This is my inspiration for my living room and of course for my dining room, because I feel like since they're so close together, have something that flows, you know? This is a sequence lip pillow. I picked this up at Home Goods last year. I didn't use it, but I did pick it up. And I feel like anytime you want to decorate for the season very quickly, all you have to do is switch out some pillows. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna switch out some pillows, add a little tablescape to the dining room, and then we'll be done for Valentine's Day. So let me know what you think. Again, this sequence lip pillow is from Home Goods. I did pick this up last year. It was for $17. So let me tell you really quick, the majority of my items that I will share with you today for our how to decorate for Valentine's under 30 minutes is from Home Goods. So I picked up a lot of things last year from Home Goods that I didn't use, so I'm going to use this time. I did pick up a couple new things. I picked them up from Amazon, so I'll link those down below. And then something from Z Gallery. I think that's it. Let's get into the how to decorate for Valentine's in under 30 minutes, right? You can do it. Don't put the timer on. So I'm going to place these pillows on, I have 3 of them. This is the last one. And we're going to start with the coffee table. That's all I'm going to do. That is it. My inspiration. So I'm going to use this, it's like a marbled pink heart with the gold foil trim. You can see. And the sides, gold foil. I'm just going to lift up my lamp and place it there. And that is going to give it a little pink, a little pop of pink. Okay, so let's move right. I am so nervous, so my apologies. So breathe. So moving on to the cocktail table, we're going to use this heart-shaped bowl, off-white, textured at the bottom, smooth inside. And we're going to place this in the center of the cocktail table. Inside, we're going to add a couple of kissing lips. Now these are the kissing lips that I picked up from Amazon. Came with a pack of 3. I believe it was 3 lips and 3 hearts. I'll link them down below for you. So let's get started with this little area. This is actually the like a quote unquote divider area. But it's not. I just put it here. I just moved around my furniture for this to be here. And now we're going to move this tall vase. This is from Z Gallery over to the other side. And then I feel like I need to wipe some feathers. And we're just going to stick those right inside like that. Kind of decorate just a little bit, you know, like, not like that. Okay, yeah, okay, and then let's add a couple of more things here. This is also from Home Goods. It was $20. And then let's just use these candle holders and frame it. Frame the lips. Adding these candles. And again, these are all the things that I already had. So it makes it easier if you have something. But whatever you have in your home, you can use it. It doesn't have to be heart shaped. It could just be the color pink, red, fuchsia, lavender, lilac, white. All right, so how is that looking? Let me know how you think that's looking. Okay, and then oh, that looks good. I like that. I like it. Now, this is a heart and it leans to the side. You won't see it in the frame. I have to do a separate shot because it's down below. I'm gonna put it down at the bottom and then I'll put it this way. So we are headed down home stretch. I have a couple of things more. The last thing is the tablescape. Yeah. Adding the sequence table runner to the center of the table. This goes perfectly with the sequin lip pillow. So then, okay, we have these two candle holders, gold textured, kind of like hammered. I feel like it is hammered, not kinda, but it's hammered. These were for $13. I picked them up, I don't know how long ago, years and years ago, and I never took the tags off. Let me take the tags off. So I'm just going to place them right here. Maybe a little bit further down. We will have a centerpiece. Just making sure that this is even. Bringing in these heart-shaped iced candles. I don't think they're candles. They're like, what is it called? Comment below. Do you know what these are called? Oh my gosh. Well, anyway, I'm going to add these to the tablescape. What are they called? And then, of course, we need candles for the tapers. Let's do that. Let's get to the finishing part of the tablescape, and that is, of course, the plates. Very simple, one charger and one salad plate. That'll do it. Oh, the charger is from Z Gallery, and then I'm not for sure where the salad plate is from. But anything will do. Okay. Roses. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Stemware. These are heart-shaped iridescent flutes. And then we have some leopard print martini glasses. Okay, all right, it's coming out good. What you think? What you think? Yes, 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 yes. All right, and then we add our vase with the lips for it to tie in. And I do not have any florals for that vase, but that's okay. That's okay, we're using what we have. Let me know what you think. Okay, that is it. I love the way it turned out. A little playful, a little glam, and definitely Valentine's Day inspired. So yes, I do think you can do this in under 30 minutes. Small space, couple of pieces that you already have, and you have a nice living room and dining room decor. I hope you enjoyed decorating with me. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you, yes you, in my next video. Ta-ta, bye-bye, arrivederci. Make sure you subscribe, okay?